Hello again, Packaholics. I'm back with another box of Donruss Gridiron Gear 2007 retail box. Normally I film these Gridiron Gears in two parts. I already had filmed part one, but for some unknown reason I cannot get it uploaded onto YouTube. I don't know if it was an equipment problem or I went brain dead and forgot how. Anyways, I'll show you what I got in part one, and then we'll bust part two, and hopefully we'll get this thing up. If you're watching this right now, we found the way. The first 12 packs we opened up, we got a Madden Marvin Harrison, a Performers Antonio Gates, Playbook Gold Larry Johnson, numbered to 500, and Alex Smith Gold O parallel, numbered to 100, and an Aaron Ross rookie card, numbered to 599. Now let's get to the last 12 packs and hopefully we have some success, and at least one jersey card is expected out of here. I don't know what else could come, maybe another parallel or two. Okay, here we go. Well, doesn't appear to be anything there. I was right. Still can't figure out why that first video just would not upload for me. And I'll be honest with you, I made at least a dozen different attempts. Well, I don't see any serial numbers there, so there's no parallels. Another Brett Favre. Well, this one sticks. It's either a jersey or it's another brick, as I call them. You know, decoy or dummy, as a lot of other people would call them. And there it is, another brick. Didn't miss anything there. Another all Madden. This one, Marcus McNeil. Oh boy. Sure hate to think that's going to be the big hit of the last 12 packs of this box. Another brick. Of course, admittedly, you know, these retail boxes of Gridiron Gear only cost me $22 a box, but so far I've yet to get out of it what I feel is fair enough. Still owes me. Another Andrew Walter, big hairy deal. Well, we got another rookie card out of here anyways. Well, that's something. Makes two rookies out of this box. Roy Hall of the Colts, number 411 of 599. This one feels thick. Well, parallel jersey card of Tony Gonzalez of the Chiefs. Of course, he's not on the Chiefs anymore, but there's a future Hall of Famer for you. And I guess they don't have serial numbers on these. Gonzalez jersey, parallel. There's a Brady. we didn't get totally shut out there, did we? I'm hoping for another low number parallel out of there at least. Well, here's another insert. I'll drop that for a minute. Okay, player timeline, Greg Olson. Serial numbered to 500. That's what, a total of 9 pulls out of this box. I guess it could be worse. Another brick. I'm hoping for a low number parallel coming out of the rest of this box, but you know, I gotta learn not to be greedy, I guess. Buy retail product, what else should I expect? Well, here's another parallel. And it looks like it could be a good one. Appears to be a playbook. Drew Brees, red. No serial number. So that's just a base playbook insert. No parallel at all. Oh well. And of course, last pack, another piece for the brick collection. I'm sure you're like I am, you got plenty of them. And we didn't miss nothing there. Okay, well, let's see, 5 I showed you first, 5 more, so another rookie, you know, the Gonzalez O's jersey. So not a total loss. There's 10 pulls out of this box. Only one, you know, actual hit as far as the jersey. You know the routine. Up here's the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, why the hell not? Get it done, son. Down here's the link to my booth at bonanza.com. Pretty soon I'll be leaving links to my new store on ecrater.com. I'm just starting to build it, so you know, give me time to get some stuff in there before I give you the link to that. I'm also known as Jeter the Man 1 there. Thanks for viewing this video. Hopefully we get it uploaded for you, and hopefully I'll see you later.